Okay, let's make your image into a golden look. Okay, let's jump right in. First, get your image that you want to make this golden effect. Then get a quick selection tool and press the select subject. You can see you have the selection of the subject. That's right. When you click select and mask, you have opened a panel of select and mask settings and select view mode to black. Then press OK. Then tap the new layer and make a new layer and go to color lookup like this video. Then select edgy amber color lookup. You can see I will show you this color lookup in this video. Then go and get a curves adjustment and adjust it to your image accordingly. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Also check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support guys.